So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can increase the mic quality on your laptops. Now there are multiple ways. First of all, open the settings of your Windows laptop. Now here search for sound, or you can simply search for microphone privacy settings, or just simply go to the sound settings. Now here you'll see this option which you have to go to select your mic input. Once you click over there, you'll see first of all, make sure that the format is set to the DVD quality, not the CD quality. That really improves your sound quality. Apart from that, just hit check for updates so that it will check if any driver updates available for the sound as well or not. Now here you can see multiple updates are available, so just simply update to the latest ones. And yeah, these are the basic tips that you can follow to get the good mic quality. And use or what you can do, you can just simply go to select this option of audio enhancements and select the best enhancement available for you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.